Okay, so here we are again. I don't remember the last time I posted, but what's going on? He hasn't been eating, and now he's making that noise again. And I think it's like, if you look at his nostril, like the skin when he shed, I can't get that out. Okay, Birdie, the water's not hot. He just can't breathe. What's the matter, Birdie? What's the matter? He's mad right now because I put him in his bath. Go ahead, open your mouth so you can breathe. What is that? And I don't know why he has not been interested in food in, like, I want to say weeks. I mean, he's nibbled here and there because I give him like a piece of an apple or something and I'll feed it, hand feed it. But other than that, like, not interested in any worms or food or anything, greens. You want to tell everybody what's going on with you? I've been soaking him because I need him to get hydrated, and I don't know. But like he hasn't had regular poops or anything because he's not eating. What's going on? I wish I know there's like little tweezers I could try, but I don't know if there's like special ones. I'm trying to like get that out. I think that's what this is. I'm not sure. Anyway. I wish I knew. I wish I knew. It's gotten substantially smaller. I mean, yes, he looks like a big Birdie, but this is skinny for Birdie. Right, Birdie? So yes, I'm skinny. Listen. There you go. Breathe. Yeah, you gotta open your mouth to breathe. Oh, sweet boy. It's okay. This water's not hot. Okay. If anybody knows what's going on with him, I would really appreciate it. Last time it resolved itself when I posted, he was doing the same thing, but I don't even know what that was. So, I don't know. Oh, buddy. I think he's just opening his mouth, not because he's hot, because he can't breathe through his nostrils, maybe. Okay. It's okay. Open your mouth. There you go. That way you can breathe. I really hope nothing's bad. I hope you're okay. I'm gonna have to probably take him to the vet. Thanks, everybody. Anyone that can help me out, I would really appreciate it. Okay. Bye. Say bye.